Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Balas ninong, oy, balas ninong.
Sindian.
Somebody's getting excited. What's the brand? I don't think we have That's what she did. Who's it?
Hurry, hurry. And it's natural, not like the megaphone. Megaphone stuff. And it's wireless too.
I was planning to buy for the
Yeah,
this trolley goods.
comfort.
Hare Krishna pa po. Hare Krishna. Ako yung kasama ni na... po.
Nakapasok ka
Kasi galing din ako Kalbayog eh. Samar.
Same flight, same ano rin.
Cebu ba? Nasa kabila ako kanina ka. Kala ko nalong sa kabila nag-aabang eh.
Okay.
Buti nabutan ko pa kayo.
Dito tayo lalabas.
Ito yan oh.
Ang pangalan mo, Prabhu?
Noriel po, Noriel.
Noriel. Tagal ka na practice doon sa inyo.
Mga bago pa lang dito ako nag-inquire sa Bugo eh, sa akin na
Sa Bogo.
wala sila rito mismo sa baba ano. Saan kaya sila nakapwesto?
Saan nakita?
Pero nandito na raw sila. Baka andun lang Prabo sa may sa may exit mismo doon.
Minsan ako doon kaya Garapa.
Hindi na sila pumunta rito, andun lang siguro sa may... Oo.
Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare.
Sa likod na to? Thank you, thank you. Galing nila palang Maynila, ano? Sa loob na yan? Sakto lang.
Yeah. Ito na yun. Palaman mo.
Dito, may sandwich dito.
Opo.
Dito na ako sa kabila. Sakto lang pala, wala kang kasama, ano?
Ako lang talaga.
Boundary lang tayo.
Bugo na rin.
Saan?
Parang masyadong naka...
Everyone?
Some devotees from the city.
Are here. We're not going to the well.
Vaishnava from the city. Pagkalo mga.
Yeah. Hare Krishna.
It's going right.
You okay?
Yeah.
How is it like this? Too much decline.
Yeah.
How did it go up?
The side, man. Yeah, that one, man.
Yes.
Sorry.
Oh,
You okay, man?
Yes, madam. Okay? Yes, madam. No problem. Wow. Hot dog sandwich.
Sige. Meron. May trouble rin. Kanya.
Sige pa, sige pa. Salamat. Skyflex pa lang kinakain ko eh.
L'Oreal Provo is from Samar, man.
Sama? How far is that?
Next island.
Tawid isla lang ang Prabo. But you get to fly?
There's fly and there's also boat. Ilang oras biyahe? L'Oreal Provo took a flight.
Mga kulang isang oras siguro, mga 50 minutes.
You spend
Tama.
time waiting for the plane.
Manila, mga isang oras lang naman din, ano?
That's true. You have to put a train. The road is smaller than this one. 2 lanes only. In Colon, I think we can do something. Because it's like there will be like a market stalls.
Oh, it's like
Yeah.
they'll close the road, Robo?
Yeah.
Walang traffic. Sarado.
Yeah, we'll walk from Solweta. We'll just walk from Solweta going to Colon. I'm also thinking, Mark, maybe it will rain, you know, because it's cloudy. In Bogo, it's raining already. But going here, it's okay. Prabo si Idam na maaga ka pa doon.
But then, no. He cannot do it 17 because they have to go back.
But the schedule of Jananana Maharaj, I made it 4 days. I said it's too long. It's the other way around, Maharaj.
Yeah, work for him.
It's too long for me.
You only got 2 weeks now.
Yeah, 2 weeks, Maharaj. 2 weeks.
For me, I'm here for another 20 days.
Yes, it's fair, Maharaj. You extend it. It's just fair.
Yeah.
Si Mother Lila Shakti nagsabi sa akin, si Mother Maricondala daw. Punta.
Kumusta si Mother?
Okay naman, Prabhu.
Okay na.
May, patapos na yung ashram nila, nandun na sila nakatira eh.
Kami ng problema doon. Maganda idea, Prabhu. Kasi may city center kayo.
Isa
And
din
then-
yun, Prabhu.
And then,
Actually, sabi ko ron, pwede yun eh. Kaya lang, sinong magmamahal?
Walang walang manpower.
Kasi si Mother Archana, uuwi din siya, Prabhu eh. Will you bring your luggage, right? Or just...
Yung plato lang. Plato na? Ito, may plato ba doon?
Yan, direka lang.
Iwan na lang dito mag-aay, Prabhu.
But where are you gonna park this?
At the other side.
On the street there?
Yes, yes.
I
Diyan ako dadaan din.
Hindi ko lang yung activities.
Dito ulit ako.
Maraj,
Ay, Prabhu. Sinalubong ko sila sa airport. Oo, para akong ano, para akong tagamit. Kami lang nandun.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Do, Aribol, do.
We're stuck here. Go to our car, bro.
cargo.
We're supposed to go already, but something happened to the car.
Where is he?
He's trying to get the car fixed. So he's asking if I could pick him up. Because all the stuff is there. And welcome back.
Jai!
Yun na yun, yun na yun.
We were so busy talking to him because he said he's so stressed already.
Taxi na lang.
I'll go pick
Properly. Taxi na lang.
Taxi na lang sa
Para abot na yun.
Okay, sige, bye.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama,
Hare